Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit different video than what it has been in the past. A while back when the movie Shazam came out, my son seen that and said, hey, I want to have a Shazam versus Superman design on the back of my phone. So, as you can see here, I'm actually working on the design of that through CorelDRAW, and then I'm importing it to the vinyl software. So that way I can actually get it cut out. And I know there's different ways you can actually do this, where you can do different colors, but this particular day I was just kind of messing around with something else, seeing if I can do it an easier, quicker way, which was not easier, quicker. Later on I may do a video showing you how you can do the different color separations here, silhouette software, but that'll be a video for another day. So anyways, this is really quick, so quick that you can't actually see the see the vinyl actually go through the cutter process. You gotta love GoPros. Not. I actually lost some of the video. I'm having problems with my GoPro. Sometimes it'll record fine, other times it will delete, or you can't access any of the video files. So the cheaper ones actually do a better job than the more expensive GoPros. But I digress. Here we go. So this one will be red. Like I said, you can do it the other way. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments saying that, hey, you can actually do different colors in there. I know that. I'm just trying something different, and then whoop, there went the red. And the rest of the file is gone thanks to GoPro. So it actually doesn't show the cutting. And then here we're doing a white versus. I think it would have been quicker for me just to do the different colors, color it in, and then separate it. But too late now. I've already committed to doing it this way. All right, so now that we have everything cut, let's actually go to the overhead view of applying the decals. So here I'm just weeding the decals, the different colors, to get them ready to apply to the back of his phone. And his phone case is actually just a flat black, so I can understand why he wanted to decorate it a little bit. So let's go ahead and get this going. Superman was the more tedious removing here, but it was pretty easy to do. These images, I just got them off of Google. I'm not selling them. I'm just using it for personal use, so there's no lawsuit issues or anything like that. So I recommend, if you're going to do this, check the applied laws for copyright before you do anything. And you can't sell other people's work and get paid for it. So now that that's all covered, let's continue. Here you see me applying the transfer sheet here to the vinyl graphic. The transfer tape's pretty reasonable. You can get a roll of this like this for under 20 bucks on Amazon or eBay. And it lasts for a long time. I don't do a whole lot of decals. You just apply it to it and then use a squeegee or a credit card to adhere it to the vinyl. Set it up, kind of setting it on the phone to see how it looks the best on here for him. It's been 3 months since he's had this on there, and it still looks brand new. He's an 8-year-old, so it's been through rigorous testing. Gotta make sure it adheres. Once it adheres, you're good. Had a little bit of issues with transfer tape coming off without removing the actual vinyl decal itself. But once you get it to adhere, it adheres pretty good. I have a decal that I put on my car over a year ago when I first started doing the decals, and it still looks like brand new. So it depends upon the quality of vinyl that you get. It makes a big difference. Here's a picture of that vinyl from my back of my car. Just make sure you rub a squeegee or a credit card over, or a gift card over the item, and then it comes right off. Get it in line and then just apply it. Put some pressure. It's pretty easy. Work it through there, make sure it's adhered onto the case or whatever substrate you're applying it to. See, this it makes a difference too with the transfer tape you get. Some look at the reviews. Some of them say that it works great. Some of them say that it's hard to let go of the sticker, or it says it's hard to let go of the decal. Some of it's just, see, it kind of came up. I just push it down here and it, oop, there we go. There we are. Looks good. Just leave it like that. And once it adheres, let it set there for a little bit, and then it's good to go. Like I said, it's been 3 months and it still looks brand new on his phone. After it's been placed on the object, you can still go ahead and go over with the squeegee to get out all the air bubbles if there's any. Easy process, really quick, cool little, just what my son wanted, so he was happy with it. See, within a few minutes, you have a cool design that your kids are happy with. They're easy to make, to apply, and to last for a while. So there you have it. Having just a few issues here with the S. Alright, there you have it. Just a quick video with a quick design, and pretty cool design, I think, for the Shazam versus Superman. Anyways, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check down in the description for any links to cool items. Alright, thanks guys. Catch you on the next video.